Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. Hi, isigaca phezu kwesigaca. Now, Mapitsi was disowned by her family. Hi, Ketile Mama Mapitsi chose Thomas over her husband. So in the previous episode, Tibos left the house after the meeting and he went straight to Bazaruto. He got drunk and he came back home very late. His mother was waiting for him. He now became an alcoholic and kunzima for him to accept the reality. Hi, girl is homeless now. She even slept at her office. And Fenta was shocked when Mapitsi told him, Ore, I chose Thomas with a pride. Previous episode, Pete was so happy to see his mother, and now he's asking his father and grandmother, or Kai Mama. And he was told him the truth right away, or your mother is no longer living here. She left. Oh, Maggie was so shocked after hearing his son saying that because she was trying to protect Pete from knowing the truth. But at the end of the day, he would know the truth. Mahlatse think their friendship can go back to normal, and Paxton don't think so because now he can't walk. Smug is dead, Poshoko left, and Yena, Lily Deju, they are facing a trial. They might go to jail. So Maggie Maputla called Leeto to come and talk to his brother. So KG is so furious at Thomas and Mapiti because their affair was happening under his nose and he didn't even notice anything. While they were debating, Mapiti get a shocking news from Thomas Hore when I'm now to be like a and Mapiti adds maybe Monahaya na listunya. I Mapiti wa iluela taba ile Thomas and kamo Thomas yena he wants his job back. Ana taba le Mapiti. And Miguel followed him. And Mapiti was so proud when she was saying, I told everyone, my family, my in-laws, that I choose you. And Thomas, he was just staring at her like, are you insane? Mapiti ithatela Thomas, and Thomas asked Anyaka still look at Mapiti. And Thomas pushed Mapiti a re ntšwele ka koloing go fedile ka nna le wena. So it's over ka Thomapi. I'll bet you none. After the incident, Mapiti left straight to her office because now it became her home. She was crying her lung out. And Fences saw her. She offered her a place to stay and also a shoulder to cry on. Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.